first of all, IMT is the institution for business people. Normally MBA colleges what they do. They teach students about some leadership qualities or management quality, and they give the placement. But IMT is a place which teach students how to deal with the business, how to run a business. I have seen the faculties who have expertise in industry, and they teach us, like, if you are in a situation where you will be given to to run a business or to operate a team or operate a company, so you will be very good at it.
Oh, it has been a wonderful experience so far. The lush green campus, 28 acres, everything like that. But IMT Nagpur is having total vibe. I can tell you, like, you don't actually need to be, taking the selective elective subjects and all to be a part of IMT and everything. Everything, every committee, every forum, every club is having something of its own importance, and that makes IMT really special for me. From doing these ventures and these committee works and everything apart from studies and all. It's a holistic experience overall.